Hello my students, grade 3. Today we'll explain from the Envision Math book. This one number 5, division, and divide number into equality groups. Division and how many equal groups. Look with me about this question. Lima made 12 tricks. He wants to give some of friends 2 tricks each. If Lai doesn't get any of the tricks, how many of his friendly will get tricks? We have the total 12, and he wants to give some friends 2 tricks. Then she or he will divide 12 by 2. Then each one will be get 6 because 12 divided by 2 equals 6. You can write this work here. First, give him 2. The remainder 10, and also 10 minus 2 equal 8. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we divide 12 by 2, each one will be get 6. Or we can go through the groups here. 1, 2. He wants to divide it 12 by 2 friends. Each friend will be get 1. We can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6 because 2 product by 6 equals 12. Then in this example 12 we called it the dividend. The dividend 2 is the divisor and 6 is the quotient. Then 12 divided by 2 equal 6. Okay, 2 times 6 equal 12. Understood? You can write the steps here. You can use reasons and how can find the result by this problem. You can by this method or another method. I like this. It's a very easy question to divide it. Write 2 groups and each put with the first 6 and second 6. Not right here 2 and the other. Okay, so the solution here it will be error. If you do that, true error. We want to divide it exactly about 2 friends. Each one will get 6 ticks or tags. Okay, next page or next question here. How can contours or other objects help you? You can draw the contours here like this, where okay, like this contours. You can draw contours to find the result or write the answer here. You can write the steps here. The simple answer about this question, we can write the contours can represent the text. I can choose 2 contours for each friend until I have used 12 contours. The number of groups of contours is the number of friends to get. Understood? You can draw 2 contours like this. 1, 2. I like this this method. And divide 12 by 2. The result will be 6 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they are equality. It was question number 21. Next question, page 22. Here, how can you divide using repeated subtraction? Can you tell me? Yes, 10 minus 2 equal 8, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 2 equal 4, 4 minus 2 equal 2, 2 minus 2 0. You can divide it 12, or here is this example. The next example here we have 10 strawberries. As this example, read with me this new question about this page. He tell us in this example, June has 2 strawberry. To serve to her justice, each just eats 2 strawberry. How many justice can June serve? We can write steps. Minus 2 equal 8. The first one take 2 and the next will be 2 also. Then the remainder from 10, like here 10, subtract by 2 because the first just eat 2. Then the remainder will be 8 and he will give the next 2. Then the remainder will be 6. And 6 subtract by 2 equal 4, and also 4 minus 2 equal 2, and the last one will get 2 from 2, then the remainder 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2. But in this example, we used subtract between 2 numbers. Understood? All the time we must subtract by 2 to find 0 in the last. So the number will be solve here. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Genie can serve 5 justice. Understood? You can divide divided by 2 by using this method. Okay, you must know the table also. Now we can write this answer. It's a new question about question page number 22. He asked about what? This example, model math here. Example of what if each justice 5 strawberries. Use 5 or use math to present the problem and find how many just June could serve. We can use division. In here we call this the dividend and 5 the divisor, and the quotient will be 2. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. You can draw this. We have 10 strawberry and 10 divided by 5 equal what? 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Understood? Then you can write minus 5 equal 5, and then 5 minus 5 equals 0. Then 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Understood? This example he replaced the number of 8. He tell us if you eat 5 strawberry, can you tell me use math to represent the problem and find how many just it could serve? We can write 10 subtract by 5. The first is 5, then the remainder 5, and the second will be 8 from 5. 5 from 5 will be 0. Then 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Okay, 10 divided by 5 equal 2. 5 here reverse 2 strawberries for each just. Just eat 5 strawberry, and we have 10 strawberry. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Then the number of person will be 2. Then the number of person which just June served will be 2 person. 2 person, okay? It was question 22. Next question. Next page, 23, okay. 23 here. Look at this question. There are 3 boxes with 2 toys in each box. The total number of toys can be expressed as 3 times 2 equals 6. What is meant by 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 equal 2. And what does it mean 6 divided by 2 equal 3? It's meaning what? We can cancel. Okay, we can cancel from the number. 6 minus 2 equal 4. 4 minus 2 equal 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And so on. Simple answer of this example, we have 6 toys divided into 3 groups. 6 toys divided into groups of 2. We can write 6 boys. The 6 toys divided into 3 groups. We have 1, 2, 3 groups. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. In each one we can put 2 toys like this. Then 6 divided by 3 equal what? Equal 2. Okay, it's question number 1. Question number 2. The lost and found box has 16 gloves. There are 12 gloves in each pair. How many pairs of the gloves are there? You can tell me 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. You can use any method as you like, okay? But this example, you must know the table. If you divide 16 by 2 gloves, each one get 8, or 16 divided by 8 equal 4. Then we have 16 gloves. No gloves in your hand, put it. There are 2 gloves in each pair. How many pair of gloves are there? We can write 16 divided towards question number 2. Okay, 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Then we have 8 pairs in each hand, 8 pairs. Next question number 3. Roth gives her dogs 15 treats. Each dog eats 3 treats. How many dogs does Roth have? We can write 15 divided by 3 using division. 15 divided by 3 equal what? Equal 5, because 5 product by 3 equal 15. Or you can write 15 divided by 3 equal what? 5. 15 minus 3 equal 12. Or you can find this method. It's another solution by subtraction. Okay, 12 minus 3 equal 12. 15 minus 3 12, and 12 minus 3 equal 9, and also 9 minus 3 equal 6. 6 minus 3 equal 3, and then 3 minus 3 equal 0. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5. Then 15 divided by 3 equal what? Equal 5. It's solution about this example. Okay, next question, independent practice. We have extra examples here. Question number 4. Rosa bakes 14 apples. She places 7 apples in each bag. How many bags does Rosa have? We can use here subtract 14 minus 7. Write the steps here. 14 minus 7 equals 7. And then 7 minus 7 equals 0. Then we have 1, 2. Then the answer here, I write the answer here in the computer. Write the answer. the exact result. Okay? 14 minus 7 equals 7, and then 7 minus 7 equals 0. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. The result has 2 back. And next question. The wagons of the farm have 4 wheels each. There are 12 wheels. How many wagons are on the farm? We can write 12 minus 4 equal 8, and then 8 minus 4, look at here right hand side, 8 minus 4 equal 4, 4 minus 4 equals 0, then 12 divided by 4 equal 3. There are 3 wagons. Okay, next question number 6. Maria bought 30 markets that came in packages of 5 markets each. How many packages did Maria pay? She bought 30 divided by 5 equals 6. You can use this method or subtract. You can write 30 divided by 6 equal 5. Or you can write 30 minus 5 equal 25. Or you can complete to get 0. Okay, the answer here was 25. 25 minus 5 equal 20. And then 20 minus 5 equal 15. Also 15 minus 5 equals 10, and then 10 minus 5 equal 5, and the int 5 minus 5 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 30 divided by 5 equal what? Equal 6. Okay, understood. Then the number will be 6 packages. Question number 7. Here Marcus has 18 pencils. He places 2 pencils on each desk. How many desks are there? We can write 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. We have 2 desks like this. We can put here 9 and here 9. Equality. Then 18 divided by 2 equal what? Equal 9. The number will be 9 desks. Problem solving here. This question, the chart shows the number of the chart here. Look at this chart. This. We have chart. The chart shows the number of pins each of 3 friends has in her pocket or pocket. Each friend divides her money into groups of 3 queens. The division equation to show how many equal groups each friend can make and explain what. We have the number here 3, and we want to divide it 3 friends as her pocket. Each friend divides her money into groups of 3 queens. Write division and equation. We can write the equation about this. 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and 12 divided by 3 equal 4, and 15 divided by 3 equal 5. In the work, you can write the answer here, okay? Take the student's work here. 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and 12 divided by 3 equal 4, and Jana 15, right? 15 divided by 3 equal 5. The simple answer in each equation, the number of coins change and the number of groups change. The number of coins in each group repeats. Understood? This example, you must write this operation here to know the steps. We know 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Okay, it's the last one, journey. And zoo, we have 12. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. And Claude have 18. 18 divided by 3 equal 6. Its solution, and here question number 9. Zoo has 6 pencils. Zoo has 6 pennies in each row. How many rows does make? We can write 2 rows of 6 because 2 times 6 equal 12. Understood? Zoo has 12. We can write the number of row product by the number of column. We won't find the number will be 12. We know 2 times 6 equal 12. He asked me, Zoo has 6 pins in each row. How many rows does she make? We can write 2 rows of 6 pins because 2 times 6 equal 12. Understood? The number here refers to the row and here column. So he tell us 6 pins in each row. Is the number of column here 6? Like this, 1, 2. In each one, it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then he tell us in each row 6. Then the number of row. How many row here? 2 rows. 2 here refers to the row. And 6 is column. Columns, okay? 6 here reverse to the columns. Rows and the columns. 2 times 6 equal 12. Okay, that was question number 9. Question number 10. Ella has $52. She spent this $21 and then finds $12. How much money does she have now? Here's a question to represent the problem. We can find the difference between them. 52 minus 21, and the remainder we can divide it by 12. Okay, because Bill has 52 and he spent his $21. Then the remainder between them equal 52 minus 21. We can find the difference will be 31. And then also, and then how much money does, and then $12. She spent is 12 or 21. The result 31. And then finds 12 again. Okay, then we must add 31 to 12 again. Then the sum with them would be 2 plus 1, 3. The result will be 43. Then the simple answer here, 52 minus 21 equal 31. 31 plus 12 equal 43. The answer here would be 43. Question number 11. I order thinking an ice cream store plans to make 8 new flavors each year. How many years will it take for the store to make 8 flavors? Can you tell me? We want to divide it 80 by 8. Divided by 8 equal 10. Because the number here was 8. Ice cream store plans to make 8 new flavors each year. Each year, 8 new flavors. How many years? He asked you, how many years will it take for the store to make 80 flavors? We can raise the total number 80 divided by 8 equal 10. The number here will be what? Will be 10. The answer here will be 10. Okay, that was question number 11. Next question, number 12. At number 12 here, you want to choose the correct answer. Take right, 20 divided by 5. Which problem could X expression represent? 20 divided by 5 equal 4. A or B or C or D? Look at here, letter A, there are 20 apples, each just gets 10 apples. How many gets are there? No, because 20 divided by 5. Not write 20 here and there 10. We must write first 20 and next 5. Letter B, there are 20 pencils. Each student get 2 pencils. How many students are there? No, because we divided 20 by 10, not 2. Letter T, there are 5 beans. Each student gets 1 bean. How many students are there? No, because answer here 20 divided by 5. Last question, letter D, there are $20. Each child gets $5. How many children are there? We can write 20 divided by 5 equal 4. So you must choose letter D about this example, because 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Okay, choose here letter D. Question number 13. Jesco writes 24 divided by 8. What problem could Jesco expression represent? We must divide 24 by 4. Choose letter A. There are 24 boys. Each child get 8 boys. How many children are there? We can write 24 divided by 8. Choose letter A. Because 24 divided by 8 equal 3. Right here, 24 divided by 8 equal 3, because 3 times 8 equal 24. Okay, then we must choose the answer here, letter A. Okay, choose letter E, circle it around the circle. Okay, understood. Next lesson number 6. We will talk about use probability tools. Look at here about the solve share. Alone earned $1 a week for 2 weeks. She wants us to pay some books that cost $4 each. How many books can she pay? Who can tell me? She earned it at 1 week. So in 2 weeks we can write 2 times 8 equals 16. At 2 weeks she earned it what? $16, and she want to pay some boxes, the cost of each 4. How many boxes we can write 16 divided by 4 equal 4? Okay, then the first answer we can write the total money with her equal 2 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. And also she want to pay some box, the cost of each 4. Then 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then the number of box it will be 4. Understood? First step here. Okay, write the solution here. The solution about this question where, okay, I write here the solution about last one. So you can write this answer here in this place. The number of boxes will be 2 boxes. Okay, right here she earned it. Right here she, this answer. Okay, she earned what? 8 times 2 equals 16. $16. Okay, she earned $16. Then the number of box equal, we can write 16. The number of box equal what? 16 divided by 4, because the price of each box for $4. Then the number of box will be 16 divided by 4 equal 4, because 4 times 4 equal 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. And 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then the number of boxes will be 4 boxes. This is the answer about this question. And in the next place he asked about explain how you use to find the total. The simple answer here, write this. I used contrast to make array. I made 2 by 8 array to choose amount of money. Carry on earned. Then I used the 16 contrast to make an array with 4 columns. Each row of contours represent a book that Kearney has or can pay. I made 4 row, so she can pay 4 boxes. We can draw here like this. If you want divide it 16 by 4, you can draw 4 groups, 1 2 3 4, and each one put 4 boxes. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3 4. Okay, understood? Okay, next question. How can you use abbreviated tools to represent and solve the problems? Look at here. He asked you here about hardware store has boxes of 18 light bulbs. 3 light bulbs cost $4. How much does it cost to buy a whole box of light bulbs? Choose a tool to represent and solve problem. We know 18 divided by 3 equals 6, but the total here store has 18 light bulbs. 3 bulbs cost, each 3 bulbs equal 4. Then we can write the price of what? The price of 3 light bulbs. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. The price will be 4 times 6 equal 24. We can find the price. Okay, we can find the answer here about this question. Who can tell me the answer again? 18 divided by 3 6, and then 6 times 4 equal 24. What do I need to do? This example he answer, I need to choose abbreviated tools to help me find how much it costs to buy a box of 18 light bulbs. The result will be here, 18 divided by 3 6, 6 times 4 equal 24. Question 8. Which tools can I use to help me solve this problem? I can decide which tools are greatest. Use cubes and contours to solve this problem. Use the tools constantly. He solves the example here like this. I will use 2 tools like this. Both contours and ones cubes are easy to count and move around. Each cube is 1 light bulb. 1 2 3 in each row 3, and Each counter is $1 reversed to $1, and each one of them 18 cubed into groups of 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and 6 times 4 equals 24. Okay, this is the answer about this question. You can use this method, or you can find the steps in one step. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Okay, the first step, 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and then the price will be what? 6 product by 4, because the price of each group was $60. Understood? Again, in this example, we have hardware store box of 18 light bulbs. 3 light bulbs cost, each 3 cost 4. 18 divided by 3 equals 6, so 6 times 4 equals 24. You can find this method or this method by using counters. Draw this. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 row, each row contains of 3 cube, and each cube reverts to what? $1. Here at 4 counters reverse to $1. There are 24 the total. Alright, 18 divided by 3 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. Next question. Here. What other tools could you use to help solve this problem? What other we can write? Solution here. Simple answer, I could use grade paper or object that I can count move around. You can solve the example by what? By division, or divided the circles. Draw the circles for each object and divided it. You can divide it. The total number here was 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Each one contains of 6. And then the price of the total will be 6 times 4 equal 24. Okay. Next question. Giant brackets. 3 friends each have 8 boxes. They put their boxes into 4 equal places. How many boxes are there in play? We can write here the number 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Choose a tool to represent the explain. Choose that tool. Okay, we can write this explain here, the answer. Simple answer here. About this number, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Okay, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Solve the problem and explain. She used. We can make array with 3 rays. Simple answer here. Can you read this? Make array of a different size, even if I need a lot of counters. We have 3 rows and 8 counters in each row. Each counter represents 1 block, and so there are 24 blocks in all. What's 3 times 8 equals 24? Then the result answer here product here 3 times 8 equals 4, or you can draw 3 ray 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 row. Each row contains of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3 times 8 equal 24. Okay, this is the total number will be 24. Then I can make 3 row and 8 counters in each row. Each counter represent 1 block. So there are 24 blocks in all. Then I made a new array with 4 rows to represent the equal. I created column 1 4 until I had 24 counters in 2 array. There are 6 counters in each row, so there are 6 boxes in each bill or each play. Understood? Okay, next question. What is the practice? Here, use properties here. Question number 2. Okay, independent question, independent. Okay, use tools. You want to find use tools to find the answer like this. Look at this question. 15 students 15 students are working in equal groups to make posters. There are 5 students in each group. For each group of students, there needs to be 2 adults helping. How many adults are needed? We can write total here 15. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Okay, you can divide it. Then grade, I can draw a square to represent each student. You can find the simple answer about this example. About this question number 1. Choose a tool to represent the problem and explain why you choose the tool. Because we have 15 students working in equal group to make posters. There are 5 students in each. The number of group will be what? We can divide it. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then the number of groups will be what? Will be 3. We have 3 groups. You can use anything as you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you won't find the number of groups. Each group contains of 5. Then we have 3 groups here. Each group contains of 5. So you can write here about this example. Question number 4. Explain or solve the problem. Explain how you use the tool you choose. I draw an array of 15 squares to choose a student. I draw a line to square them into 3 groups of 5 squares each, and I wrote a 2 next to each row of 5 into the array to choose adults. There were 3 groups of 2, so I knew 6 equals our need. You know, because we will eat the result 2. We can write 15 divided by 5 equal 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Because there are need to be 2 adults helping. Each group need 2 to help them. Next question. The posters need to be 20 inches long. The next question. What tools could students use to check the posters are the correct size, and explain how they could use these tools? We could measure the length of each poster to check that it's 20 inches long. Okay, because the parameter is meaning the outside. Understood this example or not? We have 15 students are working in equal groups to make posters. There are 5 students in each group. Then we have 3 groups. For each group of students, there need to be 2 adults helping. Each group need 2 also. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Then we made, we want 6 to in each group. Each group contains 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Okay. Then the number here will be 15, the total. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Then the number of groups here will be 3. 3 groups. Each group, like this. 15 divided 15, the number 15 is the total. We want to divide it 15 by the sum of groups. Each group contains 5. Then we have 3 groups divided by 3 equals 5. We have 3 groups. Each group 5. Here 5 and 5 and 5. And then we must add 2 in each one. 7 and 7 and 7. Then the sum will be 21, the total of the students. Next question. Look at this example here about the objects. We can count all them. So the bottle caps the right chart equally between Kerry and Nita. There are 4 orange bottle caps. Kerry wants us to arrange the bottle caps into array. Who can tell me? First we must count it and then divide it by 4 like this. Okay, the total number here was 16. 16 divided by 4, or 16 divided by what? You want to divide it 4 orange bottle caps. Kerry want orange bottle caps into array. You want to divide it into arrays, and 16 divided by 2 equal 8, because you want to divide it into array. Each array contains of 8. Like this. She will draw 2 array, 1 and 2. The total was 16. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Okay, the number of soda bottles will be 8. Next question, number 7. Use tools choose to represent carries array soda bottle and explain you choose the tool. We can write here grid paper. Paper is already divided into row and column. It's very easy about the method. Okay, you must here draw the grid and draw the paper already divided into row and column. About 16 divided by 2 lines, which I solved it from 2 minutes and using grid paper. Okay, next question, number 8. We have here this question, the model with math. Draw a picture to show how case array might look. Then write a multiplication equation for the array. We have 2 times 4 equal 8. Why? This number here, the total was 16. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Now he asked about array. 2 times 4 equal 8. He want to draw a picture to show carries array may look. Then write multiplication equation. We can write 2 times 4 equal 8. Write the divided of this number. Understood? We know the total was 16. Half of 16 equal 8. And 8 we can write it 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. Next question, use structure here. Here I want to write a different multiplication equation with the same 2 factors you used in exercise. Exercise 8. You know exercise 8. In this exercise 8, do you want the strategy? We can use commutative properties. 2 times 4 equal 8. Then we can write 4 times 2 equal 8 using commutative properties. We can replace it. Okay, we have 2 product by 4 equal 4 times 2 equal 8. The order of factors doesn't change the product. Okay, 2 times 4 equal 8. Next question, number 10. He says, he says she can use tens root to represent array. Do you agree or not? No, because tens roots can't be spread to the column or rows for this array. Okay, it's wrong. We can't write here. She says use tens root to represent the array. Do you agree or not? No. Okay, we can do it because if we have tens like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no, we can't because we have 4 only element. 1, 2, 3, 4 only, not 10. So we can't use the column about tens here in this example. Okay, this is question number 10. And then next fluency review, this review about all questions. Okay, all students, you can solve this. Okay, solve in your home. Next time I will explain it. Let's review about all questions. Okay, you can solve this. It's easy for you. Okay, next time we'll solve all questions. Don't worry. Okay, goodbye.